In this video, I'll show you how to update the DeepSeek app to the latest version so you never miss out on new features, performance improvements, and important security updates. Keeping your apps up to date ensures that you get the best possible experience, including smoother performance and bug fixes. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, updating DeepSeek is quick and easy. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. But if you're on Android, go ahead and open the Google Play Store. These are the official app stores where you can safely update your apps. Once you're in your respective store, tap on the search bar at the top and type DeepSeek AI, or simply DeepSeek. After searching, you'll see a list of results, so find the correct DeepSeek AI app, which should have the familiar app icon, and tap on it. Now, pay attention to the button that appears next to the app name. If you see the Open button, that means your DeepSeek app is already up to date, and you don't need to do anything. However, if you see the Update button instead, that means a new version is available. Simply tap on Update and wait a few moments while your device downloads and installs the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, you'll have access to all the latest improvements and new features. Keep in mind that some updates roll out in phases, meaning certain features may become available in some countries or regions before others. So, if you've updated the app but don't see a specific new feature right away, it might still be rolling out in your location. Just give it a few days and check back later. And that's how you update the DeepSeek app to the latest version on mobile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.